welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing an unboxing video. So excited! So what is in these bags? I ordered these last week and I spent $400, which is pretty naughty, and I have declared that I am a snow freak because I spent $400 on snow gear. So let's get started unboxing and I'll show you guys what I bought. I will be unzipping with the knife. Don't try this at home, people. Don't use a knife, kids. Use scissors. Oh my god. Okay. Don't need a knife for this one. Hope they see it. I'm nervous. So there is a big risk of buying your expensive ski stuff online and it might not come, or that you get the wrong size. And my stuff came from the United Kingdom, so I waited a really long time for these to come and they all fit, which is great. Ready for the snow. That's so bad. Hi guys, so I filmed that video about a month ago and heading up to the snow this Saturday, so make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe.